guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, be sure to like and subscribe to support the channel. Now that the primer work is nice and dry, we're going to go ahead and start wet sanding and blocking all the imperfections out and have this car ready for sealer. Stay tuned and let's get started.
And check out that fitment on the headlight. We're getting everything adjusted and slowly it's coming together. We went ahead and ordered the left headlight lid, but they sent the right one. So we got another one on order and hopefully our bumper comes in because it is on back order right now.
Oh yeah.
What's up, buddy? So Bruno here is inspecting the sanding, making sure everything is going nice and smooth.
He ain't letting me get on no brakes though.
Hey, he's the perfect supervisor right there. What's up, buddy? That's my boy. You're breathing super hard, Bruno. So Bruno here is super tired. He's been working all day. We've been trying to get the car sanded. Bruno, say what's up to the YouTube.
Just look at it, guys.
Just look at it. We're exposing the dog. No shame in the game, though. He's got his paws up. Check out the markings on him, though. Looking nice and smooth.
Oh yeah, coming right along, man. This car will be sanded before you know it.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down and start wet sanding. We're gonna get the whole body nice and smooth and ready for sealer. So let's keep working. What's up, you guys? Next day here, and right now we're on the way to a local paint store to get some paint mixed up for the RX7. I got a lot of things to do, so let's hit the gas and get started. Got some blue lights over there. Okay. What's going on, man? We got traffic in the morning. Whew.
We actually don't carry the gallons here, but they do at the 23rd Street at Riley's.
Gallon of it's gonna run $2.91.
Alrighty, we have made it here. CarQuest, the professional paints. Let's check it out. Alright, you guys, so we are back. We got our paint mixed up. No teasing about that. We went with the sunburst yellow. We got some sealer in there too, and I'll show you guys that when we get back to the house. Now we got to make one more stop. I have to stop at the DMV, find out what the paperwork looks like on the truck, and ask about the title on the RX7. So stay tuned and we'll catch you back at the house. Alright guys, so we are back from the store. I had some more errands to run, so that took a little bit longer, but we got the paperwork started on the truck. That's going to be coming in, and we'll get that registered. Now we're going to go ahead and jump back on the RX7. So this is what we got from the paint store. I went ahead and went with a gallon of Nason because the next brand of paint was like triple the cost of that. This was $300. And then the guy recommended I go with the lighter sealer. I normally use the gray stuff. This is the white 2K sealer, and this is the activator for it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and jump on the engine bay. I'm gonna take the fenders off and make sure everything's ready for sealer. And then we'll probably throw some base coat and clear this so that we can start putting our suspension on. Let's get started. Alright you guys, so we got our hood and our fenders off and got the engine bay stripped back down. I went back and quickly sanded everything one more time because I really want everything to look nice in the end. And we got all the extra urethane glue around the windshield because I want our sealer and paint to lay down on the metal. And now I'm working on cleaning up some of these bolts so that we can get some base coat on those. I got our hinges right over here. I'm going to go ahead and throw some primer on those so that they could dry while I'm prepping the engine bay. So let's go ahead and clean all this off and start laying down some sealer. Alright guys, got some plastic sheeting on the car, got the lift taped up, and the garage nice and clean. We swept the whole thing. Now we're ready to go ahead and get some water on the floor to keep any of the dust particles from getting into the air. This is where we tape right along the seam sealer right here. This will give me enough room to go ahead and blend after we get the doors off instead of leaving a line directly on the door jamb. So now we're ready to go ahead and mix up some sealer and get to spraying it in. Let's go. Alright guys, so we got the engine bay nice and clean. I am going to go back and tack it right before I start spraying the sealer. But for now, let's go ahead and mix this up. This is the Nason 2K white sealer I'm using. Here's the activator for it. It takes 4 parts sealer to 1 part activator. So let's go ahead and mix it up and start laying it down. All right, you guys got the engine bay tag, got the floor wet, and got the sealer in the gun. So let's start spraying it on and see what it turns out like. So the sealer is laying down just fine. Let's go ahead and hit this other side and start mixing up some base coat. Alright you guys, so our sealer's nice and dry. It's looking really smooth and I'm really liking the white. But let's go ahead and mix up our paint and start spraying it in. Alright, you guys, that's going to be a wrap for this episode. We made some good progress on the RX-7. We finally tested out the paint and the engine bay turned out amazing. Now we can start piecing the suspension together and even throw in our motor. Let us know down in the comments if we should do that, if you want to hear this purr before we paint the entire car. With all that being said, thank you guys for all the love and support. And if you are new to the channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to support your boys. Follow us on Instagram at DannyTV to get an inside sneak peek there before YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.